Scientists looking for life on other planets like to talk about the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. And now NASA's found a planet that's right in that zone.
Astronomers have found clear evidence of what could be an Earth 2.0. This artist rendering shows the rocky planet identified as Proxima B orbiting the Proxima Centauri star.
Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our planet apart from the sun, and it is about 4.25 light years away.
If it had an atmosphere like Earth, there'd be 70 degrees there right now.
70 degrees, and that's what makes scientists believe that the potential is there for life.
The potential is there, and it's very exciting because in the catalogs of planets that we now have, this is the first time.
The James Webb Space Telescope has just given us an incredible gift, the clearest image of Proxima B ever taken. This Earth-sized planet orbits the closest star to our solar system and could hold answers to some of humanity's biggest questions. The latest image shows mysterious lights on its surface. Could these be signs of life or something we've never imagined? Let's dive into this exciting discovery that might change how we see our place in the universe. Imagine standing outside on a clear night, looking up at the stars, and realizing that something amazing is happening just a few light years away. That's the thrill that keeps scientists buzzing with excitement. Proxima B orbits a star called Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, located about 25 trillion miles away. In the vastness of space, that's practically in our backyard. The new image suggests that something extraordinary is happening on this planet, with strange lights arranged in a way that raises a lot of questions. Before we get too carried away, it's important to remember that these lights could mean something incredible. Unlike the random flares or bursts we usually see from stars, these lights seem steady, almost like city lights twinkling in the dark. Could this be evidence of intelligent life, a society like ours lighting up the night? While we don't have all the answers yet, just thinking about it is enough to spark our imaginations. It's as if the universe has been waiting for us to notice these signs. Have they been there all along, hoping we would finally see them? Proxima B orbits a star that is much smaller and cooler than our Sun, and it's much closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. This places Proxima B in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water, the essential ingredient for life as we know it. However, the planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, while the other is in perpetual darkness. Imagine a world where one half enjoys endless daylight while the other is trapped in eternal night. If there's an atmosphere, it could help balance temperatures, making life possible. Without one, conditions could become extreme, with scorching heat on one side and freezing cold on the other. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists can take a closer look at this fascinating world. Webb is designed to observe in infrared, allowing it to detect heat emissions that other telescopes can't. This ability could provide insights into the planet's atmosphere, if it has one, which is crucial for the potential existence of liquid water, and ultimately, life. The goal is not just to find a rocky planet, but to discover a world that could be alive, much like ours. The next steps involve a lot of research using both Webb and other upcoming telescopes, like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, which will be operational in a few years. The ELT will have even more powerful capabilities, enabling us to analyze distant atmospheres in greater detail. Imagine being able to identify the gases that make up the atmosphere, whether it's oxygen, methane, or something entirely unexpected. If we detect these biosignatures, it would be a significant breakthrough in our search for life. Webb's observations have only just begun, but they have already captured our imaginations. The telescope has detected what look like bright organized lights, almost like city glows. What if these lights are emanating from an advanced civilization? While we need to be careful not to jump to conclusions, the thought is electrifying. The possibility of intelligent life just a few light years away is thrilling. Maybe they are more advanced than we are, or perhaps they share our curiosity about the universe. If they exist, they might be looking back at us, wondering if anyone else is out there. The lights on Proxima B are steady and strange, prompting us to investigate this planet and the conditions that make it so intriguing. Finding life in the Goldilocks zone is an exciting prospect. Webb's powerful infrared vision can detect heat and emissions, giving us a clearer picture of the atmosphere and surface. The presence of gases like methane, water vapor, or carbon dioxide could indicate biological processes. While finding these gases wouldn't be conclusive proof of life, it would certainly be a strong hint. Proxima B is special because of its proximity and similarity to Earth. It is slightly larger, with about 1.2 times the mass of our planet. The distance between Proxima B and its star is much smaller than that of Earth and the Sun, meaning it receives significantly more radiation. Without a thick atmosphere or magnetic field, this could pose a challenge for any potential life forms. However, if there is some form of protection, like Earth has, who knows what could be possible? Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are much cooler and smaller than our Sun, yet they make up about 70% of all stars in the galaxy. If life can thrive around a red dwarf, it would increase the chances of finding habitable planets more than we previously thought. The Goldilocks zone isn't just about temperature, it's about having the right conditions to support water, and by extension, life. Each step Webb takes toward understanding this planet is another piece of the cosmic puzzle we are trying to solve. The lights Webb has detected could be anything: natural phenomena, reflections off the planet's surface, or even signs of advanced technology, like city lights from an alien civilization. Scientists are understandably cautious, as they should be. We have been misled before by signals that appeared to be alien in origin, but were later found to have natural explanations. Nevertheless, the excitement remains. Every great discovery begins with curiosity and a question. The James Webb Space Telescope has already provided us with more than we could have imagined, revealing that the universe is far more complex and strange than we ever thought. This planet is just one of thousands of exoplanets Webb will study, but it stands out as our closest neighbor and may be the first place we find life beyond Earth. Whether it's simple microorganisms, complex organisms, or even an intelligent civilization, the mere possibility alters everything about how we perceive our place in the universe. Life, as we understand it, requires water, and where there's water, there could be life. The next significant step for Webb is to search for signs of an atmosphere, gases like oxygen or methane that might indicate biological activity. This is no easy task, and will require time and patience, but it's worth every moment. Even if we find hints of these gases, it won't be definitive proof, but it will suggest we're on the right track. The extremely large telescope, set to be operational soon, will allow us to observe even finer details in the atmospheres of these distant worlds. This telescope will help us determine if Proxima B has the right mix of gases to support life. If we find them, it would be an incredible moment, a sign that life might not be confined to Earth alone. Imagine being able to look at a planet light years away and see signs of life, even if they are just tiny microorganisms. It would be proof that life can emerge even in the harshest environments. When we think about this planet, we are reminded of extremophiles here on Earth. Tiny organisms that thrive in seemingly impossible conditions, such as boiling hot springs or deep sea vents. If life can survive in these extreme environments, why not on Proxima B? Perhaps life there has adapted to the extreme temperature fluctuations and high radiation. Life, after all, is remarkably resilient. The idea that this world could support life isn't as far-fetched as it once seemed. The lights on Proxima B could be natural phenomena, reflections, or something we have yet to understand. Whatever they are, they have ignited a curiosity that is impossible to ignore, prompting us to look up at the stars once more and wonder. The universe is vast, filled with countless unanswered questions, and this planet is just one of many. Yet, it has captured our imagination. Webb's new observations bring us closer to understanding what these lights might mean and what Proxima B may hold beneath its surface. Webb's observations are just the beginning. As we continue to explore, we will learn more about what exists beyond our world. The universe is immense, and we are just starting our journey. Whether Proxima B turns out to be a new Earth or simply another rock in space, The excitement lies in the search and the endless possibilities. This intriguing planet is about 25 trillion miles away. While that number sounds enormous, in the context of the universe, it's relatively close. This small planet could hold answers to some of our most significant questions. Proxima B is approximately 1.2 times the size of Earth and resides comfortably in the habitable zone of its star, meaning it is at the right distance for liquid water. And liquid water means a chance for life. It's amazing to think that there could be a planet so near with the potential for life, just waiting for us to discover it. The infrared capabilities of Webb allow it to detect heat from these distant planets and analyze their atmospheres. If we find gases like methane, carbon dioxide, or water vapor, it would be a significant indication that something is alive out there. We have already identified exoplanets with atmospheres, but we have never been able to examine one in such detail. This planet presents a unique opportunity to do just that. If we uncover the right signs, it could mark a breakthrough moment, an acknowledgement that Earth is not the only place where life exists. And then there are the lights, those peculiar, steady lights captured by Webb. What could they be? Natural reflections, volcanic activity, or perhaps something more, something created by an intelligent civilization. Scientists are cautious not to jump to conclusions, but the prospect of alien cities is exhilarating. It transforms our understanding of our place in the universe. Suddenly, we are not just one lonely planet among billions. We might have neighbors, and that thought is thrilling. The discovery of this world and its potential to host life serves as a reminder of how much we still have to learn. The universe is full of surprises, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface. The James Webb Space Telescope is equipping us with the tools to explore and comprehend our cosmic neighborhood in ways we never thought possible. This planet may not turn out to be a second Earth, but it is demonstrating that the search for life is far from over. It is just beginning. Imagine a future where we discover many planets like this one, planets with water, life, and perhaps even civilizations. It's a future that seems like science fiction, yet it is one we are moving toward, one discovery at a time. The James Webb Space Telescope is leading the way, and its findings are helping us understand our place in the cosmos. The universe is vast, and we are just a small part of it. However, with every new image and every new discovery, we are learning more about what exists out there and about ourselves. The potential that this world holds is beyond our wildest dreams. Picture a planet where alien civilizations thrive, where lights illuminate cities just like ours, and where beings gaze up at the sky, perhaps wondering if they are alone. What Webb has revealed is that the universe may not be as lonely as we once believed. Those lights could signify so much more than we can currently comprehend. When we think about the universe, it's easy to feel small, like a tiny drop in an ocean of stars and planets. Yet, discoveries like this remind us that we might be part of something much larger. Finding life on this planet could lead to the discovery of other planets with similar conditions, creating a chain reaction of possibilities that could reshape our understanding of life in space. Each new discovery is a step forward on a cosmic journey that may take lifetimes, but every glimpse and every clue is progress. With every finding, Webb reveals how remarkable Proxima B is and how much more there is to learn about what might exist beyond our world. This planet could hold the key to life. The James Webb Space Telescope is just getting started. It has already shown us glimpses of galaxies formed shortly after the Big Bang, solar systems being born, and now the strange lights on this nearby planet. Imagine what more it could unveil in the coming years. We could witness worlds that are vastly different from our own, yet share similarities we never anticipated. Imagine looking at a distant planet and seeing not only signs of life, but entire ecosystems, alien forests, alien oceans, or even cities filled with life forms we can barely conceive. The excitement surrounding this discovery is not solely about the possibility of alien lights. It's about understanding our place in the universe. If we find signs of life, even at the microbial level, it would mean that life is not unique to Earth. It would suggest that the conditions for life can arise in many places, and that the spark of life is more common than we ever dared to hope. The mere thought of civilization existing elsewhere fuels countless studies, missions, and sleepless nights for scientists worldwide. Imagine for a moment that this world is inhabited by intelligent beings. What would they be like? Would they be advanced in ways we cannot comprehend, or would they be struggling like us to understand the universe around them? The idea that we might not be alone in our struggles makes the universe feel less cold and indifferent. It transforms it into a place filled with neighbors, some of whom might be just as curious. However, even if Proxima B turns out to be barren, devoid of life, it doesn't diminish the significance of our search. Every time we gaze up at the sky and see a star, we know there could be planets orbiting it, and one of those planets might be the one where we finally discover life. Proxima B serves as a starting point, a close neighbor offering us our first real glimpse of what is possible. As we look further, we may find that Proxima B is just the tip of the iceberg. Our quest for life is a journey not only across space, but also through time. The universe is ancient, and we are merely a tiny part of its story. The discovery of lights on Proxima B reminds us that we might be catching just a glimpse of something that has been occurring for millions or even billions of years. If beings exist on Proxima, they could have been observing their skies just as we observe ours, waiting, hoping, and wondering if they are alone. There is so much more to learn, and the path ahead will be filled with unexpected twists. The James Webb Space Telescope is helping us take those initial steps, peering into the unknown and revealing that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. Proxima B may not have all the answers, but it has given us something crucial: hope. Hope that we are not alone, that the universe is filled with other stories and lives. Consider the impact this would have on humanity. Discovering intelligent life would transform everything: our science, our philosophies, our religions, and our sense of purpose. Suddenly, we wouldn't just be Earthlings. We would be part of a galactic community. We might learn from them, share ideas, or simply understand that we are not the pinnacle of existence. The implications are staggering, and the discovery of lights on Proxima B could be the first step toward that incredible future. For now, we can only observe and wait. We will continue to send our telescopes and probes into the unknown, hoping that one day we will find the answers we seek. The lights on Proxima B could be city lights or natural reflections, but whatever they are, they have ignited our imagination. That spark is what keeps us looking to the stars, questioning and exploring. The universe is vast, and we are just beginning our journey. Proxima B may be the first, but it certainly won't be the last. Countless stars and planets await, each holding the promise of something new, something that could change our understanding of life itself. The path ahead is long, but the destination is worth every effort. We might be on the verge of the most incredible discovery humanity has ever made. The search for life on Proxima B is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a quest for meaning, connection, and understanding our place in the vast cosmos. With each new discovery, we are reminded of just how small we are, yet also of how far we have come. Proxima B is out there, waiting, and with every new image and every new piece of data, we get closer to answering its questions. And maybe, just maybe, we will find that we are not alone. The universe is waiting for us to uncover its hidden wonders, and Proxima B is just the beginning. We will continue to look, hope, and explore, for the question of whether we are alone in the universe demands an answer. And that answer might be closer than we think. Could the lights on Proxima B be a natural phenomenon, or is it possible we are witnessing evidence of an alien civilization? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.